What if the secret to better sleep, more energy, and even gentle fat burning wasn't a pill or a workout or another supplement? What if it was a single sip right after dinner? We have heard that apple cider vinegar helps digestion, but almost no one talks about what it does at night, when your body enters its quiet repair mode. Tonight, we change that you've probably seen it on shelves, a cloudy bottle, maybe labeled raw, unfiltered. And you've heard it's good for your gut, maybe your blood sugar. But what no one explained is what this humble liquid does while you sleep. Because when you go to bed, your body doesn't shut down. It starts rebuilding. And if it's missing the right signals, you wake up tired, sluggish, heavy in ways no blood test can explain. But with just one simple sip, you can give your system the spark it's been waiting for. Let me show you how. Number 1, mineral absorption. The first night, fixed sleep doesn't start in your mind. It starts in your muscles. Long before your eyes close, your calves begin whispering, your toes stretch, and somewhere behind your knees. Tension you didn't notice clenches just a little tighter. That's not restlessness. That's your body asking for minerals it didn't receive. Magnesium, calcium, potassium, the trio that holds your muscle fibers still while your nervous system exhales. But here's the problem. Even if you're eating the right foods, absorption declines with age. It's not about what you consume, it's about what your body can use. That's where apple cider vinegar steps in. It doesn't bring minerals, it brings permission. It signals your gut lining to open, softens the acid-base balance, and tells your cells, take it in. Let it settle. Imagine your body as dry soil. You've sprinkled the nutrients, leafy greens, nuts, maybe a supplement. But without moisture, the roots stay hungry. A CV isn't the fertilizer, it's the water. Warm, welcoming, willing to carry what your body has forgotten how to hold. Try this. 1 teaspoon in warm water 30 minutes before bed. Stir slowly. Add lemon if you like. Don't rush. Sip as if you're sending a message inward. Because sometimes the cure isn't more. It's letting what you already have finally do its job. And when you feel that slight release in your calves, that gentle stillness beneath your quilt, you'll know. Rest has begun. 2. Blood sugar. Balance, the hidden sleep protector. You didn't wake up because of a dream. You woke up because your blood sugar dropped. After dinner, your body naturally raises insulin. It's part of the cycle. Digest, stabilize, repair. But for many after 60, insulin becomes sluggish. It spikes too high, then drops too fast. And when that drop hits at 2:13 a.m., your body senses danger. Cortisol is released. Your heart rate lifts. Your brain lights up. And rest is replaced by alertness you didn't ask for. You weren't anxious. You were chemically startled. And the solution isn't melatonin, it's balance, created earlier in the evening. That's where apple cider vinegar becomes powerful. ACV gently slows the release of glucose into the blood. It tells your body, you're safe. You can rest now. It doesn't knock you out. It holds you steady. Imagine insulin as a night guard. ACV hands him a lantern. He can see, stay calm, and protect your rest without sounding alarms. Try this. 1 to 2 teaspoons in warm water or calming tea. Right after dinner, not before bed. Let the signal arrive early. Let the chemistry settle. Let the deep sleep return without force. Sometimes, the peace you need at night starts with how you honor your body before it closes its eyes. 3. Reduced nighttime cravings. The anti-snack signal. You thought it was hunger, that gnawing urge around 9:45 p.m., the slow drift to the fridge, just a bite, just something small. But most of the time, it's not hunger, it's chemistry misfiring. When your blood sugar rises too high after dinner, then crashes, your brain sends a quiet emergency. Find something, anything, fast. So you snack, not because you're hungry, but because your body doesn't feel safe. Apple cider vinegar changes that. It stabilizes your post-dinner glucose curve so that your body never feels the drop. No drop equals no false alarm. No alarm equals no cravings. It doesn't suppress appetite. It prevents panic. And that's a different kind of power. Sip ACV with water after your meal. Let it land quietly. Let it become a message of enoughness to your cells. You are fed. You are full. You are not under threat. And you'll feel it. Not in your stomach, but in your silence. That night when you sit in bed and realize, I didn't even think about snacking tonight. That's not willpower. That's peaceful chemistry at work. Deshri 4. Liver. Reset, the silent detoxer. You didn't wake up because of anxiety. You didn't toss and turn because of your dreams. You woke up because your liver couldn't rest. Between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., your liver enters its peak activity cycle, filtering, detoxing, rebalancing. It's one of the quietest organs, but when it struggles, your whole night feels unsettled. And it doesn't shout. It nudges in subtle ways. A pulse in your right side. A strange restlessness at 2:17 a.m., a heaviness beneath your ribs, the feeling that you're tired but unable to drop. We often think it's stress or aging, but sometimes it's just this. Your liver needed a signal to let go. That's where apple cider vinegar plays its gentlest role. By increasing bile flow, easing gallbladder pressure, and supporting liver enzyme release, it doesn't detox you. It simply unclenches what's been holding on too long. Try this. A warm drink before dinner, ACV, lemon, and a pinch of mineral salt. Simple, gentle, no need to feel it right away. But maybe the next night you'll stay asleep just a little longer, and your chest will feel just a little lighter. Because sometimes, better sleep doesn't mean deeper. It just means no one inside you had to stay awake. 5. Cellular fuel. Acetic acid's secret role. Most people think rest is passive, but the truth is, while you sleep, your body does the most sacred work of all, rebuilding. Your brain rebalances, your muscles stitch, your memory rewires, and deep inside your cells, mitochondria, the tiny engines of life, begin to hum again. But they need fuel, not sugar, not caffeine, something quieter, something steady. That's where acetic acid, the heart of apple cider vinegar, comes in. It bypasses the usual pathways. No digestion required, no insulin spikes. It enters gently and becomes direct mitochondrial energy, like plugging your body into a slow, steady current. No buzzing, no jitters, just quiet renewal. And when that energy flows, your body doesn't just sleep. It repairs. Your muscles restore. Your thoughts settle. Your cells say, we're back online. Try this 3 nights a week. 1 teaspoon ACV in warm water before bed. Nothing fancy. Just the ritual of reminding your body it still knows what to do. Because healing doesn't always feel like fireworks. Sometimes it feels like waking up with steadier hands, calmer breath, and the sense that something inside has turned back on. Not everything after 60 is decline. Some things just needed the right signal. What if the reason you're so tired isn't your age? It's that your recovery window has been unpowered. You don't need to do more. You just need to start the right signal. At the right time, your body already knows how to heal. It just needs permission. That permission might come in the form of 1 sip tonight. Small, gentle, but powerful enough to shift the way your body recovers. Quietly, consistently. Comment reset if you're trying this ritual tonight. Share this with someone who keeps waking up tired. They may not need a sleep pill, just this. And next week, the 3 best morning drinks to wake up energized without caffeine for people over 60 who want clarity, calm, and a little joy in their mornings again. Subscribe now, because your night is where tomorrow begins.